How to get free HD quality photos in Photoshop without opening a browser and searching it on Google. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming videos. Pexels.com is a high quality photo website. All of the photos on Pexels are free for any personal and commercial purpose. The main attraction of Pexels is it is having a desktop application, also Photoshop plugin. You can find the download link in the description of this video for the app and plugin. Let's see an example. In this project we have 4 layers where we have to insert a picture in each layer side. Once you install the plugin, just click on the Pexel icon. If you didn't find this icon, then go to Window, Extensions and Pexels. Now let's try to insert images. So click on the first layer to insert the first picture. And select the image from Pexels plugin and just click on the image which you need to insert. Now you can see that your selected picture is inserted into the first layer. Similarly, select the second layer and insert the second picture, and so on. Please note, by default, when you insert an image, it will be created as a clipping mask. If you don't want to create a clipping mask, click on the gear icon and then deselect Create Clipping Mask. Thereby the image will be inserted just before your current layer. One of the best options in this plugin, you need not waste your time in browsing Google for photos. So when you like any photo, you just click on the heart symbol. Thereby that photo will be added to your likes tab. Similarly, we have a desktop app for non-Photoshop users, or maybe you need some images for your next project in Adobe Premiere or After Effects, or for your PowerPoint presentation, etc. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Until see you next time, MAROO is signing off.